ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯃꯣꯅꯥꯂꯤꯁꯥ ꯄꯣꯠꯆꯪꯕꯝ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁ ꯇꯥꯛꯆꯒꯅꯤ. Hello class 7. Today's chapter is reproduction in plants. We have already done the few characteristics of living organisms. Living organisms ahingba jiba amagi chenphadraba magul khara tawkhre. Kari karino hai matamda chinjak darkar oi, respiration tawi, then growth laigani, response to stimuli tawgani, then last but not the least this one reproduction chu tawni haiba mahaikre. Reproduction hairagadi karino hai matamda akoina reproduction ek panba matamda like begets like hai mana ba pokpa. Some the production of new individuals from their parents is known as reproduction. Karigumba anoba jiba ama puthokpa ngamaba ahan lairamiba jiba singdudagi, say for example yena yerung ko adudagi macha oli, hameng na hameng poi, sanna sanau poi, admain tawdana offspring produce tawbabu macha pokbabo khoina kari haina khange hai matamda reproduction. Adubu plants study reproduction hai basi changchandring da kari haina khangani hai matamda plants ki part ani lei hai bam khangre. Amana noi number lower classes ta toisina shoot system haibam ne, root system haibam ne, makha lainung da leibang khaina root system, leibang mathak ta leibang khaina shoot system. Adubu over here in dealing with reproduction tawbadadi akoina plants ki parts se mainly ani thokna khaido en haini, amana vegetative parts, amana reproductive parts haido neba. Aduga vegetative parts se da akoina chandoi se karino hai matam the roots, stems, leaves. Aduga reproductive parts tana flowers se sibu akoina reproductive parts ne haiganiba. Vegetative parts tawrise karino hai matamda roots dagi hoba pambi lay, stem dagi hoba pambi lay, leaves dagi hoba pambi lay. Sumaina individual ama produce tawrakadoini, vegetative part dagi reproduce tawba kangu amasu lay, then flower duna fruit olani, seed olani adudagi anoba pambi horokpasu layeba. Aduna akoina plants ki two main parts hayo hai targadi, vegetative part and reproductive part se khangam bataeba. Now let us come to reproduction in plants. Reproduction se in plants adi reproduction se saru ani thokna khaido kari haina asexual reproduction haibam ne, sexual reproduction haibam ne. Asexual se adi karino hai matamda plants give rise to new plants. How? Through the stem, through the leaves and through this one roots. Mara dagi hoba anoba pambi chongkhat hanba lay, adagi stem dagi su mara anoba pambi hoba lay. Say for example stem haragadi akoina rose pambi adorgala pambi se masha ama ka aga laibak ta yungshan biradi anoba pambi hanagi pe mabu kauriba masha kauriba pambi di parent plant harani ko kalaiba masha se laibak ta yungshan biba matamda anoba pambi ama hauni ba parent plant to ka chap manaba. This mode of reproduction through stems in a stem cutting hai ko sisu asexual reproduction namaneba. Amain tawdana akoina root tagi hobasu lay, then leaves tagi hobasu lay. But sexual reproduction na flower produce tawrani, flower duna fruits develop tawrani, seed to dagi hoba. Asexual reproduction si saruk mari thona khaido vegetative reproduction, number 2 the budding, number 3 the fragmentation, number 4 the spore formation. Vegetative reproduction haragadi akoina kaidawi hai matamda vegetative parts haibam tawki hai riba vegetative parts dagi anoba new plants arise or adi new plants hauhan bang amadi adubo akoina kari kawi hai matamda vegetative reproduction. Adur gulab ama akoina masana hoba yai haibam hai khre adu that is also vegetative reproduction. Sugar cane su masama kakba matang ani hung kaga thok yung chanba matamda mayon anoba chongaga anoba pambi mo oi. That is also through stem or banina mase vegetative reproduction. Then akoina potato se akoina makaino ne lainung da lay banina mara nen lauram bayai. It is also a stem. How do you know that it is the stem? Hadi potato se hauba matamda akhona laibak se khara haidoga, if it is exposed to sunlight, sangbaneba. That shows that it is a stem, not a root. Potato sisu akoina alugi mamit hai. Alugi masasida mayon chok mam bud arise tori adu akoina mamit hai mamit amando ka aga thabiba matamda anoba potato plant ama hogani ba. That is also through stem. Aduna sisu for one form of vegetative reproduction. Then dahlia gumba aduga akoina maruna marana thaba ba maru se kamai tauge hai matamda tilau maru dona tani ba adugi maru amamam se thadokpa yae ba. That is through reproduction through roots. Si khaisina kari da challe hai matamda stem dagi taubani, root dagi taubani, aduna vegetative reproduction da amana leaves dagi propagate tawam sile karino hai matamda cactus kumba adagi sometimes hujikandi am thanare succulent si karamba pambino hai manda mana tha lauba under drastic condition da hobungamba plants kharani. Say for example adagi bryophyllum kai se manada akoina manada pambi macha chongba ui. That is propagation through leaves. Aduna, all these, if the plants arises from leaves, stems and roots, all these come under vegetative reproduction. Next one is budding. Budding sinakarang mapam da uge hai matam da yeast. Yeast ananoy microorganism. Microbes tamatamda taramani small organism ni. It is a unicellular organism. Unicellular adi kaino hai matamda cell ama khatang na saba adugumba living organism dubu akoina unicellular organism kaweba. Hai riba unicellular organism sida reproduction kamain tauge hai matamda budding hai riba method sin taudoine. Akoina budding hai di kaino hai matamda unicellular adi cell ama khatang na sani hai riba cell sida pom thorak kadoine ba. Nakanda pom thorak toini bulb like projection am tholak toine ba. Hai riba projection sida kaidawi hai matamda sum chawkhala ani. Then cell ama oirakado rimni nama kaidani manungi nucleus kadusu form torani. Then when it is fully grown mapung phara kanda ma parent plant to dagi parent cell to dagi taza khrani ba detached to khrani ba nanthok khrani ba aduga new cell ama oidoine ba. Aduna budding sida tawdoi se kaino hai matamda when the favorable condition comes, temperature dusu magi favorable lairaba, food and nutrients phangaba, at that time that cell duna kaidoni bulb like projection form tawni, then nucleus develop tawni, mama parent cell do dagi nanthorani aduga new cell haudoiba. Sumain tawdana sigumba method of reproduction china yamna thuba heleba. Next fragmentation. Fragmentation as the name suggests maming sina dum takchare cell amana hariba parent amaduna machet kaitharaga kaidoni each fragment akoina fragment kaino machet amamambu each fragments tuna kari oino orakadoiba new individual oraktoiba. Masigumba si algae da tawi algae hariba organism sida tawi akoina ishingda asangba slime oina ga leiba urida karino hai matamda matamamada khatang lairangani adai pak na sandorakani pukri lengda pukri da isangi type ta sandoraido adu karino hai matamda moisture reproduction tawbadagi sandorai neba. Reproduction di kamain tawi hai matamda parent kano amana plan amana machet kaitharani. It will break up into fragments and each fragment will grow up into own individual oraktoinem. Aduna this mode of reproduction covers a large area in a very short time. Reproduction si yam thuyeba. Next na spore formation. Spore formation adi karino hai matamda mostly akoina spore haraga khangna doise karino hai matamda asexual reproductive part ni adubu masigi reproductive part se thick covering amna kupaga laigani ba. Hai riba thick covering se kaidoba ino hai matamda man high temperature yam saba amadi condition drastic condition du dagi low humidity de kaino hai matamda isingi manil yam yaudaba jiba mana hingmada changi se ising ne optimum temperature chang maisa chang amane then food ne changeba. High riba food nutrients kumbase phangdringai manung sida di mana kaidawni hai matamda maisa high temperature adagi ising laitringai manung drastic condition se khangba ngamna bai damakta athaba covering amna kupaga leiba hai ba spores hai sibu Sige through the produced over plants kai du akoina kai haige hai matamda spore formation na reproduced over organism haiba haiba si kari da tawi fern na khoina yam toina ubani sigi se kari pambi se mana se decorative method oin si ne mai makha se marum shaugani ba haiba marum se mai ge favorable condition du paitho ga maru nate it is a spore paitho kan da kai dawni anoba pambi oina haudoiba karam kanda when the condition is favorable right temperature right amount of food right amount of water phangakanda aduna ma du phangringai manung da di hard covering amna kupsala laigani next see khaisina akoina asexual reproduction next let us come to sexual reproduction haragadi plant ka reproductive part se karino hai matamda flower sida manung sida flower gi part se khoi yengba matamda khwai mapani thangba laina du kupi ba asangba part am lay that we call it as sepal then corolla manung du the reproductive part ani yauri ba stamens na male reproductive part pistil na female reproductive part oidoi ba stamen gi part ani sui mathak thangba sina anther makha gi filament hai ni ba tube like structure duna aduga kaidawi hai matam da pistil dana stigma then style ovary in laidoi ba ovary gi manung sida ovule na ama yaudori ba ovule sida kari yawi hai matam da female gamete yaudoi ba aduga stamen gi kaidawi hai matamda anther yawi hai ki anther sida pollen grains yawi hai riba pollen grains sida male gamete yaudoiba male gamete when a male gamete fused with a female gamete we call it as fertilization ase karam kan hagi hai matamda male gamete tuga female gamete tuga pulla kanda adugi resulting shell ama form tauriduna khoina zygote haidoineba adubu matau karamna male gamete ka female gamete ka se fuse taudoino hai matamda di kaino ama changeba procedure ama changeba adubu khoina kari haige hai matamda pollination masi changringai da kai hai kari khangam gada ge hai matamda flower sida sexual organ si ama khatang panba either pistil or stamen panba leiba stamen palagana stamen dang panba pistil palagana pistil dang panba adubu kai kawi hai matamda unisexual flower aduga both the male and the female gametes to palaboidi aduguma flower dunna bisexual flower haiba say for example unisexual dadi akoina cucumber gumba se akoina thabi se mapan yam sara mapan khudi makte fruit oidedana magi du da both the sex organs panda bai neba then kamain tawi hai matamda rose gumba hibiscus adi akoina kari juba kusum madi kaidawi hai matamda both the sexual organs present oeba aduna sigi transfer tauna pollen grains to na magi ovary the female organ to the transfer taura kanda neba fertilization thoktoise fertilization thokna bai damakta the transfer of the pollen grains is to be done to the stigma of female part that transfer of pollen grain to the stigma we call it as pollination adudi pollen grains sina stigma se lak basiu pollination haire pollination se makhalani thokpa yaiba kari haina self pollination haibam ne cross pollination haibam ne self pollination haragana same flower do the magi same flower do gi anther do the gi pollen grain do same flower do gi stigma do the transfer toragana self pollination aduna tadana cross pollination haragana pollen of one flower is transferred to the stigma of another flower of different plants of the same kind oidoiba amain tawdana simaina fertilization tho matung dadi zygote form tawrani fertilization se karam kan thoi hai matamda pollen of anther is transferred to the stigma of female part of the tauredana adagi transfer tawra matung da style sida changa ani style sida changa aga magi ovary du da kaino yaudoi ni ovule na ovule doi manung da gamete female gamete yaure fuse tawre zygote form tawre then the ovary will develop into the fruit aduga ovule du na it will develop into the seed aduga seed sina thara kanda akhoina anoba pambi phangani ba aduga sumain tawdana fertilization thoe pollination thoe matung the seed sing se kamaina same pambi dugi same parent plant dugi mahai sing do na paliba maru sing do makhong do da tasalaga hauradi there will be competition for food sunlight nutrients myam gi competition tholakadoini overcrowded orakadoini madu thoktana ba kaidoba tai hai matamda seed se transfer tawba tai seed se mafam dudagi chaithokhi batai ba that transportation of seeds to different location we call it as from the parent plant to the chathokina bani ko adubu kai kawi hai matamda seed dispersal hai ni ba seed dispersal sigi kana ba se karino hai matamda makhong do da pambi masadu gi makhong do da macha mayam du krik krik ina na haura boidi food ki competition thola ani sunlight and water su competition thola ani adubuga anauba area ma invade tawjaruna anauba area da adapt tawjaruna ba maram amasu oi haba seed dispersal se so from this chapter what we have learned is how do plants reproduce plants reproduce in two ways asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction in the sexual reproduction there are 4 types vegetative reproduction, budding, then fragmentation, then spore formation. In case of sexual reproduction, should be union of gametes. The reproductive part is the flower. Then flowers in reproductive part or dagi magi fusion se taunaba fertilization se thoknaba transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma is needed. This is we call it as pollination, and pollination are of 2 types, self-pollination and cross-pollination. Then after pollination, the union of the male and the female gamete is known as fertilization. Fertilization results in the formation of zygote, and this zygote formation is very much essential because it leads to the production of fruit and seed. It will develop into new plants. Then in case of to avoid seeds overcrowding in the parent area, it needs to be transported to new places that we call it as seed dispersal. Seed dispersal is a transfer of seeds away from the parent plant. Seed dispersal tawai maramdi avoid overcrowding, then avoid competition of sunlight, food and minerals, then in order to invade new areas.